Hello, this is Brian Anderson with the WS Tools team. Thank you for spending a few minutes today to learn more about our Auto Open tool. Auto Open was designed to allow users of Signature Service Management to reopen closed service calls to allow additional costs to be added to the call after maybe it was invoiced and closed. To show you how it works today, we'll go ahead and go into a customer account. I'm using our handy quick find tool here. We're going to go use Cedar Family Counseling as our example today. So go ahead, we're going to go into Service Management, and you'll see under Cedar Family Counseling we have a closed call number 170314-0004. If we click into it, we'll see that it's marked closed and that it has already been invoiced. So from a back office perspective, we think that it's all done, right? But what happens if a technician has forgotten to add some costs, maybe their labor through Mobile Tech or through TimeTrack or whatever? What do? Well, Auto Open makes it really easy to go ahead and add those additional costs. Again, it could be hours coming from Mobile Tech, could be TimeTrack, could be eTimeTrack, or the time card entry. So let me show you how that works. And again, we're going to use this service call over in the TimeTrack area. So let's go into TimeTrack. We'll go to the transactions area, go to TimeTrack and time card entry. And I'll go ahead and just type in a batch number here. Alan was the technician, so we're going to go ahead and select Alan on this particular entry. Instead of job cost, we're going to use service because this is a service call. Go ahead and select that. And then we'll go ahead and use that call number that I was just on. We'll go ahead and manually enter this. Now, if the submission was coming from Mobile Tech, it would automatically have the service call information in there. So I'm just manually showing how it would be triggered in TimeTrack. So as soon as I enter that and try to go any further, I'm going to get alerted with, and this is the trigger with Auto Open. It asks me if I want to go ahead and reopen that call. And when I click on yes, it's now going to allow me to continue to enter that information. And we'll go ahead and complete some information here. We'll add a couple of hours into this call. We'll go ahead and add just a labor category. Our cost code, pay code here, we'll go ahead and just make it hourly. And we'll say 2.5 hours is what Alan had forgotten to enter on that call. When I go ahead now and save it, you'll see that it's been added in TimeTrack, which is what we wanted to have happen. But if we also go now back to our service call, let's just take a look at what happened over there. Go ahead and bring that same record up here. You'll see now that this call 170314-0004 is now marked, was changed from closed to complete. And if I click on that and go to the invoicing now, I'm going to see that those costs came in to this service call. Now, over in TimeTrack, your payroll person would need to post that information after reviewing it, but the costs are already over here on the service call, and it didn't replace anything that had happened before. If I take a look at the history here, we still have that original invoice that was created to close that call, but now we've added we reopened it, made it a completed call that allowed us to put additional costs onto it. And that's really the value of Auto Open, allowing calls to be easily reopened in those cases where costs have been missed. So that's what I wanted to show you today. If you're interested in this tool, please give us a call or drop us an email. We do sell all of our tools through a series of resellers, reselling partners. So please contact your GP or Key to Act partner of record. Let them know that you're interested in our tool, and they can go ahead and reach out to us on your behalf. Or if you contact us directly, we'll go ahead and pull your partner in to continue that conversation. So thank you again for your time today. Hopefully this has been helpful, and hopefully you learned a little bit more about Auto Open. Thank you.